Another standoff is looming between Jamaican workers and Chinese management on a major work site, this time in Mapen Clarendon. It follows similar disputes on the legacy projects in the corporate area. Dwayne Anderson was in Clarendon and has his report.
This multi-million-dollar complex in Mapen is a sign of progress for the parish capital. But workers say there's one area it is lacking progress.
$1,800 a day them a pay, man. Yo, them a tell us about say switch it from 10 days we fi do for fortnight. And a switch it, I say we must do 11 days for fortnight. And when we work over 80 hours, we not get no overtime pay. Ministry have to know about them thing and come do something about it. Nothing not there for we. I just see China them we work over here, they response for.
This man said he broke his leg on the site days ago when he fell from a scaffolding over 15 feet high. Since then, he's been home, unpaid, with medical bills piling up.
I come to the boss about it and think the boss at him saying get them to come back and work. So I don't really know what go on, man. So I help right now because my foot kill me about my pitney yard and hungry. My wife I had hungry same way. So I want to know what they do for me.
Representatives of the Union of Clerical, Administrative and Supervisory Employees were on location Monday morning. They are taking steps to get the workers unionized. The UK's representative's site visit was the latest in a series of interactions with the Chinese, and they're getting tired of what they claim is the disregard the Chinese have towards Jamaica's labour laws.
The China come in here and him break all of the law. Him break all of the law where GIC membership couldn't break. If the government through the Minister of Labour call them just no go and them just get away with that. We have Jamaica law, you know. We have Jamaican law. We don't business about no investment. We're business about the workers.
We spoke with a ZDA construction manager who said the company and the workers agreed to the wages before they began working, but said he would have to speak with higher management regarding the company's policy on injuries sustained on their sites. He said he was also not aware of the specific case involving Mr. Hackett, who broke his leg. Now, labour issues are not the only concerns. The political directorate foresees future traffic headache, as some 60 shops, a hardware, a supermarket will be housed at the complex. And on the surrounding lands, 4 gas stations are being proposed, with 1 already approved.
The Member of Parliament had engaged Sagicor out of his own concern that with this project, you are expecting more traffic in this area. And so he thought it fit to engage them. But I'm satisfied with what I've been told as it relates that Sagicor will be widening and developing this corridor.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.